Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Hieroglyphs e-learning. In the last video, I have already shown you how to use task mode and task type for develop the CPM schedule. In this video, I'm going to show you how to develop the detailed schedule using top-down techniques. Here I'm going to show you how to develop the detailed schedule using the top-down techniques. First of all, let us see the high-level schedule is here, but this schedule cannot be used to guide the construction. The duration for high-level activity is based on the experience referred to the similar project. Use this given duration on the foundation. We can develop the construction schedule with the top-down techniques. Here I just take the foundation as example. The duration for foundation is 65 days based on the experience on similar project. In order to detail the schedule of foundation, I divide the foundation into more detailed tasks, like here. Based on the information from the estimator, you have noticed that the task mode of the summary task is manually scheduled. It means the duration 65 days is not calculated by auto schedule. And there are two summary bars. The upper bar is for manual schedule. The lower bar is for auto schedule. You should notice that the curing day is 7 days. Let's see the project calendar. Click the project information. In the calendar, you can see the standard. Click change working time. You can see standard is here. It means this is the standard calendar. Let's see the detail of the standard calendar. Click work week. Click detail. Click Sunday and Saturday. There is no working time. It means no working on Sunday and Saturday. Click Monday to Friday. There is a working time there. The working time from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. means 8 working hours per day, 5 working days per week. But the curing should be 24 hours per day and 7 days a week. So we need to arrange specific calendar for this curing task. Right-click the column header of predecessor. Click Insert Column, type Task, select Task Calendar. Click the cell of the calendar, Task Calendar for curing. Click the down arrow, select 24 hours. You can see the subsequent task date is highlighted. It means this date is affected by the curing task finish date change. And click another curing task. Click the cell of the task calendar, click the down arrow, and select 24 hours. The queuing is 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Total is 168 hours for 7 days. So we change the 168 hours and this one also. After changing the calendar, you can see the finish date of the queuing is earlier. You may notice that the duration have question mark. In Microsoft project, few people know there is a two type of duration. One is estimated duration, another is planned duration. Before you make a final decision for the duration, I advise you use estimated duration with a question mark. You can make a setting of the duration type for new created task in project option dialog. Estimated duration. Click File, click Option, click Schedule. In the scheduling option for this project, check box for new scheduled tasks have estimated duration. Click OK. Then click the task. Right click here, Insert Task. You can see this duration have a question mark. And you also may want to set the planned duration when you insert new task. Click File, click Option, click Schedule. In the Schedule option for this project, we just uncheck New Schedule Task have estimated duration. Uncheck. Click OK. Then we right click here and Insert Task. You can see here there's a no question mark. Hover on the Summary taskbar. There is a message pop-up indicate duration. This is the manual duration, 65 days. And the subtask duration, this is the auto schedule duration, is 54 days. Now, I want to adjust the task to make the manual schedule duration of summary equal to auto schedule duration. Since there is 11 days difference between manual schedule duration and auto schedule duration in summary, so I want to create 4 working days per week and 8 hours per day calendar for the task of form to extend the finish date. How to create and assign this new calendar to the activity of form. Click the project, click Change Working Time, click Create New Calendar, and select Make a copy of standard calendar, and write the name of task calendar for form. Then click OK. Actually, I have already create this task calendar. So let's see here. calendar for form. Okay, calendar for form selected. Then you can see here, we just 4 days working. How to do it? Just click the work weeks here and click details. So we have a no work on Friday. Just click Friday. Then previously is here. So we just select set days to non-working days. So that's the way we make the setting. So the task calendar have already created. So we want to assign this task calendar to the task. Click the cell of the form basement wall in the task calendar. Click the down arrow here. Select task for form. That is the 4 working days per week, 8 hours per day. You can see the date is changed. The finish date of this calendar is changed. And the subsequent task date also changed. It is the Microsoft project will automatically to highlight the date which affected. Then another form we also change to the calendar for form, also highlighted for the subsequent task date. Then we hover on the summary bar. The auto schedule duration has been changed to 58 days. There are still 7 days difference. Now I want to insert new activity with the name of time reservation for foundation. Click the task, click task insert group, click task. The new task is inserted. Double click the new task. Change task name to time reservation. Change the duration to 7 days. You have noticed when I change the duration, automatically uncheck the box. It means if you change the duration in the task information dialog box, project assume you want a planned duration and also remove the check from the estimated box. Then click the predecessor. In ID, field 15. Then you can see this is the task of backfill foundation. I take this activity as the new task predecessor. Then click OK. You can see menu schedule summary bar, the upper bar, and the auto schedule summary bar, the lower bar, have the same length now. The scheduling for the foundation have been completed. The duration for each task have been decided. Now we need to change the estimated duration to planned duration. Cover all the subtasks of foundation. Click task 5, press shift and click task 16. Click task in the menu bar, click the information. And click the box of estimated until there is no check in the box. Click OK. Now we need to change task mode of the summary with the name of foundation from manual schedule to auto schedule. Before make task mode change, we have to set the constraint on the start date of task ID 5. You may have noticed the constraint type of the task 5 is as soon as possible. This constraint means the date is calculated by auto schedule. If it has predecessor, double-click task 5, click predecessor. There is no predecessor. Obviously, task 5 have no predecessor. If no predecessor, we should assign the constraint on the start date. Otherwise, if you change summary task mode from the manual schedule to auto schedule, the start date of task 5 will be changed as same as project start date. Click Advance. In the Constraint Type, select Start No Earlier Than. Then click OK. Then click Task Mode of Task 4. Select Auto Schedule. The date of the subsequent task, no change. And the summary bar only have a one bar. The duration 65 days is calculated by auto schedule. It is the same as the manual schedule duration previously. In this video, you have learned following skill. Difference between estimated duration and the planned duration. How to change estimated duration to planned duration. How to create task calendar and assign it to the specific task. How to use constraint. How to track the information with the hover on the summary bar. I would like to give additional tips, but the detail will be provided in the later tutorial. If you enter the duration in summary task, the task mode automatically becomes the manual schedule. It means this schedule is not resulted from the schedule calculation, and it is imposed by you. Project respect any dates and the duration you imposed, and will not change them, even if you make change to a subtask under the summary task. If you change the task duration in the field, project also assumes you want a planned duration, and also remove the question mark in the duration. Do not change the start date in the start field and the finish field. Both of them should be the calculated date. If you change the start date and the finish date, it means you impose the date in the field. It will cause the constraint setting on the date. It will distort the schedule calculation result. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please visit my other tutorial regarding to Microsoft project. See you next time.